Hi guys and welcome to BrainSync 5. Hold on. Hi guys and welcome to BrainSync 5. In today's video, I'm going to be answering 2023 Mathematics Paper 2, the question 1, which is A and B. So let's just begin straight into the video so that we spare some time. Right? Let's begin. So the first question, which is about simplifying, it says that we simplify this expression here. We have 13a to the power 3 over 28a to the power 2b to the power 2 divided by 65a to the power 4b over 56a to the power 2b to the power 4. So now, how do we answer this question here as given in an exam paper? So this is how you answer it. So the first thing that you need to do here is follow the BODMAS rule. If you do not know about BODMAS, I've created a video in the past. So if you don't know about BODMAS, you can find the link somewhere here. But here is how you answer this question. The first thing you need to do is you reciprocate this sign in order to change this division into a multiplication sign. Iya panshi yara pamuru, iya pamuru yara sapanshi. You understand? If you don't understand anything about reciprocal, write something in the comment section so that I may create a video for you about that. So now that we've reached this part, we just have to change like so. This is just a demonstration of the equation here. Do you see this division sign? Look at how it changed to this part. E56 yachiba punch, it went up. This 65 yasaya punch. They changed in order to change the sign. Now this is multiplication. How do you multiply fraction, guys? So we multiply directly, but this is what we are going to do first, since this is an algebra expression. We are going to find what is common on top and below and cancel them out. Like for example, there's a here, right? We cancel the a, and here there's the a, we cancel them. So on top there will be left one a, right? And there's a b here, right? So we cancel this b. There's two b in that. So we cancel them, and we cancel that. On top there will be two b's. So now that we've finished to this part up, so the pipe with line here, there's one a that is left. Let's continue. This a here, like, hold on. There's one a here, if you can remember. If we cancel it, there will be none. And here, since there is 4a, if we cancel that, there will be left how many a's? There will be left 3 a's, exactly. And on top, there's another a there. We cancel them. If we cancel them, they will be left with what? Yes, we'll be left with if we cancel this one, they will be left with none, and if we cancel this, they will be left with 1, since not from a, right? Remember, here we've already removed one b, right? So if we cancel this b and we cancel this b, they will be left one b on top here because of this what we did here. In fact, let me just show you this demonstration so that it becomes more clear. Are you able to see this here? Like upper soul is 1, 2, 3. We cancel, we cancel, we cancel, we cancel, like that. There's one left here, so we cancel and we cancel. So we cancel, we cancel, we cancel, we cancel, and then there's this b here. We cancel that b, so on top there will be left one b, and we cancel this, we cancel that, there will be left one a on below. You understand, right? So now, in order to simplify things for you to understand, so 13 can go into 65. So just say 13 to 13, it is 1. 13 into 65, it is what? It is 5. And on top here, 28 can go into 56. 28 into 28, it is 1. 28 into 56, it is what? 2. So 1 times 2, it is 2. 1 times 5, it is 5. So with the a that was left here, it will be 5a. And with the b that was left here, it will be 5b. You understand? Hope I'm not confusing you. Remember, if I am going too fast, write something so that in the next video I might improve. So now that you have understood these things about simplifying, we also need to answer about question B. But first, you guys, if you have any question about this, please guys, please write something in the comment section. So here is the question up. So learners in a grade 10 class were asked the types of drinks they liked. The Venn diagram shows their responses. Here is the Venn diagram. Here, Fanta, Coke, and Sprite. These were the people who liked Fanta, the people who liked Coke, the people who liked Sprite. So now here is the question. Given that 40 learners liked Fanta, find the value of X. In Fanta here, there's how many learners? 40 learners liked Fanta, right? All these learners liked Fanta. So how do we find the value of X? This is what we do. We already know the total number of learners who liked Fanta, right? It is 40. So we just add everything in here and then equal to it with 40. So it will look something like so. 17 plus X plus 2 plus X plus X. I hope you see where the 17 is coming from here, plus X plus 2 plus X plus X, like that, equal to 40. So now that we've reached this part, the next stage is to collect the like terms. What is the common pasoma numbers yonsayala? Remember, if you don't know how to collect the like terms, you can write something in the comment section so that I may create another video for you. So here, 17 and 2 will cross the equal sign being negative, and then this side will only be left with x's. You'll end up something like so. So 40 minus 17 minus 2. So x plus x, which is 3x. 40 minus 17 minus 2, which is 50. Is it 50? No, it is 21. Sorry, it is 21. So you will end up with something like so. So now this here we've reached a point where we have to make x the subject of the formula. So we will divide both sides by 3. So 3 into 3, it will be left with 3 into 3x. Sorry, we will be left with x, and 3 into 21, it is what? 7. So the value of x is what? 7. You understand? I know, guys, I am moving very fast, but I would appreciate it if you write something and also like the video. Please like the video if you reach this fine. So let's keep going on. So remember, guys, as I said earlier, so what we did first was just collect the like terms in. We collected the like terms in. So now the next question is find the total number of learners in the class. The total number of learners in the class, meaning all the learners here put together, what will be the total number? It is simple and straightforward. We already know the value of x is what? It is 7, right? Right? So we already know that the value of x is 7. So 7 plus 2, it is what? 9. Upper it is 7, upper it is 7, and then this is 5. So 7 minus 2, it is 5, it is 3. Add everything together. So it's going to be like so, then like so, then like so. So 17 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 minus 2 plus 3 will give you a 53. You can calculate it if you want to prove your work. Otherwise, this is how it is handled. I hope you are following along. So now that we've answered the total number of learners altogether, so let's try to look at another question. How many learners did not like Fanta? How many learners did not like Fanta here? So here they are looking for learners who did not take Fanta. So just add those that are not in this circle of Fanta. So it is 5. So this here, 7 minus 2, it is 5, right? So 5 plus 5 plus 3. So it is 13. Then the next one, B. Liked 2 types of drinks only. So here they are saying people we are liking 2 types of drinks. So this here we are liking Fanta and Coke. This here we are liking Coke and Sprite. This here we are liking Fanta and Sprite. So this is how you answer it, and listen up closely. You just add these 3. We already know that this is 7, right? 7 plus 2, it is what? It is 9. So 9, 5, 7. So 9 plus 5 plus 7, it is what? 21. So just like that, so you guys understand that mathematics is not that hard, right? So just subscribe to the channel, and I'll be updating you guys on more videos like this one. I'm going to answer more past paper questions because this week I wanted to dedicate it to answering past paper questions. So be updated. Subscribe to the channel so that you are notified every time I drop a video. Thank you guys for staying this long, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.